so this one's 1859, sorting the sentence. So basically we're going to be sorting it. So it's going to be like, it's going to give us a sentence like this where it's going to have a number at the end of each word, and we're trying to basically sort it back to inform what it would be like. This is a sentence, so it'd be like this one is to A3 sentence 4. So we're going to get rid of those numbers and put them in the order that it specifies. So let's get started. I'm going to do split string equals s.split. So this will split into a bunch of words, but that'll just give us like a list of each individual word with a number at the end. So like what we have to do is we got to make a new string. So I'll just be like word return list equals for underscore in range split string. Alright. Yeah, so this is basically just going to give us a bunch of empty strings filled up for however long the string is. So if it's like 4 like this, it's just going to give us 4 empty strings inside of a list. And then we're going to be like for item in split string. Alright. So then we're going to do return list. And then we're going to be like int item -1 minus 1. Okay, so yeah. So here's what we do. So for this like return list, we're basically saying, okay, so if we get like this, is we want to put it in the first spot. So basically like we're looking at the end of the word to see where it goes. And so we're taking the -1 and then we're going to put it in that index into this. And then we're going to say equals item, and then we're going to slice it. So it's everything but the last letter, and then we're also going to add a space at the end as well. And then to return it, we're just going to say return dot join, join return list dot strip. Alright, I see beat 79%, 91% here. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe.